everybody? I hope you guys are all having a great day. Today I'm going to be doing the January 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing. Look at this bag, guys. This is the cutest bag that I've gotten from Ipsy by far. It's the marble one, and it's so cute with a little pink zipper. And I actually haven't posted on this channel for a while. Me and my husband actually got married, and then we went on our honeymoon, and then we actually started our own YouTube channel together. It's called Len and Gianna, so be sure to check that out. I will link it down in the description below. And let's get right into the video. So the first thing I got from Ipsy is the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. Okay, let's see if I can open this. Alright. It smells pretty good. It's kind of liquidy. It reminds me of their coconut one. It's like super liquidy. When you rub it in, it kind of starts to get a little bit tacky, which is good. That's what you definitely want for a primer. And I feel like it definitely smoothed out my hand. I put it right here on this one, and it definitely looks a lot smoother to me and feels a lot smoother. So I'm really excited to try this. The next thing I got from Ipsy is it's called Realer. It's eyeshadow, and the color is called Incomparable. It is a light brown color. This is good for if you want to do just like a natural look. So let's see. Yeah, it's super pretty and light. So if you want to do a natural look any day, this would be perfect for that. I can't wait to use this one, guys. I've been real into like natural looking makeup, so I'm excited to use that. The next product I got from Ipsy is liquid lipstick. It's by Context, and it's in the color, let me see, Mad Love, and it looks like this. It's definitely in the nude family. It looks really pretty. It smells really good too, guys. Okay. Ooh, this color is so beautiful. It's like a peachy mauve-y color. It's not too dark, not too light. It's like a perfect color, and I am so excited to try this. Cannot wait. And this is supposed to last for a really long time. So we'll have to put that one to the test. The next product I got from Ipsy is a Pore Glow Mask by JJ Young. I wonder if this is the one that's like jelly. Let's see. It doesn't really have a smell. And it's more of like a cream consistency, and it has little balls in it. And it says you're supposed to keep it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse your face clean with lukewarm water. It's supposed to brighten your face and make you have a glow. And the last thing I got from Ipsy is this Luxie 560 Medium Fan Highlighter Brush. I love when they come with these little covers over the bristles because it keeps them nice and clean and neat, and it helps them keep their shape. The brush looks like this, and I'm going to use this Ofra Madison Miller highlighter in Moon Dance, and I'm going to test out this brush and see if it's any good. So right off the bat, it definitely doesn't pick up as much product as some of my other brushes that are more dense, but it's nice because you can build with this. Guys, do you see that highlight? It's so pretty. This is definitely one of my favorite ones. I got this highlighter from Ipsy as well. I'm just not exactly sure what month I got it in, but it's one of my favorites. You can definitely build with this brush so you can put on exactly how much product you want. So that's all I have for you guys today. Let me know down in the comment section below if you guys want to see me test out all this makeup in another video. And be sure to check out me and my husband's channel. It's called Len and Gianna. I'll link it down in the description below. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a big thumbs up, a comment, and be sure to subscribe to this channel and to me and my husband's couples channel because we are trying to grow both of our channels, and we really appreciate it. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.